Welcome to Art Lesson 3, Bringing Your Art to Life. We will focus on interaction, action, and anchor points to add depth and dynamism to your work. Let's quickly recap the basics. We've established a foreground, middle ground, and background. A solid landscape is essential, so characters have a place to stand before adding action. One common issue is the floating character. To fix this, anchor them by adding shadows, checking for contact points with the ground, and ensuring their feet align with the perspective. Add props and story details to give your character purpose. Whether it's an iconic item or environmental interaction, these details create a sense of reality in your art. Characters shouldn't just exist, they should interact. This could involve looking at each other, facing a common enemy, or heroically staring at the viewer. Every interaction tells a story. Now it is time to refine your sketch. Add life to your mural by detailing pencil sketches and anchoring characters through intentional looking or facing the viewer. Take a moment for story time. Think about what your character is doing in this specific part of the mural and why they are there. To summarize, focus on grounding your characters, using action and folds to show energy, and making sure every element contributes to the narrative. Next time, we will add color and contrast.